Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to query a MongoDB collection in Python applications. I am going to use Visual Studio Code Editor for adding my application code. First I am going to create a Python virtual environment. Click View, Command Palette, click Python Create Environment, click Virtual Environment. I am going to use the version 3.12.1. Environment is getting created, and the environment has been successfully created. Now we need to install the PyMongo driver and the .env and the certify. So let's get started with that. Open the terminal, new terminal. Now let's first install the PyMongo driver. Python -m pip install PyMongo. We have successfully installed the DNS Python and the PyMongo driver. Now we need to install the .env. So let's install that. This is required for loading the environment variables. Install Python .env. So this also has been successfully installed. So now to get the certificate, we need to install the certify. So let's install that. Pip install. Okay, we have successfully installed all the necessary packages. So now I'm going to create one .env file where we are going to add the connection string. So I'm going to use environment variable MongoDB URI for that, and then we need to add the connection string here. I have logged into my MongoDB account. Click connect. So we are going to connect from our application. So click drivers. Python is already selected. Already we have installed the PyMongo MongoDB driver. Now let's copy the connection string. Paste the connection string here. We need to replace this password with the original password. I have updated the password and saved the changes. So now I'm going to create a new file. So this is for finding. So I'm just going to call it out find.py. First I'm going to import OS, then import certify, then from PyMongo import Mongo client, then from .env import load env. Okay, first let's load the .env. Now let's get the certificate path, certify.where. okay, now let's get the connection string. This variable os dot get env mongo db URI is the environment variable name we have given, so let's use that. Now let's create the client, Mongo client, and we need to pass the connection string Mongo URI, as well as we need to give the TLS CA file name. Okay, so we are good. So now we have established the connection. Okay, so we are going to find the grade A students from the students collection, which is part of the university DB. So I'm going to call univ DB equal to client.university. Okay, then students collection equal to univ underscore db dot students. Okay, so now let's create the query document to find. Okay, so I'm going to give the query as grade equal to A. Okay, so this is going to be the query. So now we need to execute this query, right? So you will get a cursor equal to students collection dot find, then we'll give the query this thing document to find. Okay, so now we are going to print the documents which we are going to find. So I wanted to use pretty print, so I'm going to import that as well. Print. Okay, so for document in cursor, okay, so we are going to do a pretty print dot pretty print, and then we are going to pass the document to it. Okay, so after printing all these things, we are going to close the client. So this is very important, we need to do that. I'm going to save the changes, and now I'm going to execute my program. Okay, Python find.py. So we could see we were able to query for all grade A students and print them. In this demo, we have seen how to connect to a MongoDB Atlas cluster from a Python application and query the documents from a collection. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.